Good morning, students of class 5. Today I am going to solve more questions related with percentage. Exercise 14.1, question number 3. 3 is there, 3 first. 12%. Convert the following percents into fractions. 12%. Please, what I said, this is the sign of percent. So you will divide with 100, 12 by 100. Now it is divisible, both the number, numerator and denominator, both is divisible by 4. So 4 when you will write 3 by, what it will come? 25. 3 by 25. When you are writing, what it will come? 3. You are going to divide with 25. Point give, 0 will come. One time it will come. 25 and what is rest? 5. Now 0 will come, so 5 into 2, 25 into 2, what it will come? 50. Your answer is 0.12. This is your answer. Okay, now first I have done. Now put 33, 1 by 3%. What it will do, my dear student? 33 change into improper fraction. So 33 into 3, 99 plus 1, 100 by 3%. Means 100 by 3. You will divide with 100. So 1 0 cancel, by 1 0, 1 by 3. Means your answer will come. This is also correct answer. And decimal fraction, if you want to change, it will come. But your question is telling convert the following fraction only, not decimal fraction. So this one is not required. 3 by 20, 1 by 3 is your answer. Clear? Now convert the following percents into decimal fraction. Question number 4. Convert the following percent into decimals. My dear student, what you will do? First, 70%. 70%, what you will write? 70% means 70 by 100. You will divide, to remove this percent sign, you will divide with 100. 1 0 cancel, 7 by 10. So when 7 you will divide with 10, it will become 0.7 is your answer. It is clear? Now the next questions I am going to solve, that is 6 questions. 6. 0.125%. This one you can write it 125. This percent sign is there, so you will divide with 100. Right? And now after decimal percent, how many there? After decimal, how many number is there? So 3 number is there. So 1, 2 and 3. You can write it 125 by how many? 50. So see this one. 125 is there. Here 50. The 2 more number you will put. After that this point is, and this is 0. It is meaningless, but to look nice I am putting 0. So 0 0 1 2 5. It is clear? Question number 5. Find the value. Find the value. Find the value. What is that? First, 80% of 200. What you will write 80%? 80 by 100 of means into 200. So 1 0 cancel, 160 is your. It is clear? Now 1 I have 12 5. Now fifth, 75% of 1200. So 75% means 75 by 100 of means into 1200. Now multiply 12 into 5, 66. 900 is there. It is clear. Fifth done. Now 6. 6 is there. Which is more? Which is more? Which is more? First is there 35% of 700 or 30% of 400. See this my dear student. First what you will do? Simplify. First find the value of 35% of 700. So my dear student, what you will write? 35. To remove this percent sign, we will divide with 100 or not. And of means what? Of means into 700. So multiply, divide 20, cancel with 20. Now what is the rest? 35 into 7. 35 into 7 multiply. 7 into 5, 35 carry 3. 7 into 3, 21, 200. 45 is coming. Or this value what it will come? 30% means what? 30 by 100. 30%. To remove this sign I said, we will divide with 100 and of means into 400. So 20 cancel with 20. What the result will come? 30 into 4. Now 30 into 4, 120. So you will write 30% of 700 is more than 30% of 400. Clear? Clear? Now 6. So this one question number 7. Question number 7. Is there? Find the value of. Find the value of. And the value of. Find the value of. First question is there. 12. 1 by 2% of 440 kg. My dear student, see this one, it is given in mixed fraction. So change into improper fraction. 12 into 2, 24 plus 1, 25 by 2%. To change, it is divided into 400. Now 10 cancel with 10. Now you divide 44 with 2. But 2 divided by 2, 1. 22 is coming. Now again you divide it. 22 divided by 2. 11 will come. And then you will divide with 2. 5 will come. Now 25 if you will divide with 5. So then 5 will come. Your answer will come 55. This is your answer. It is clear? Now 7. First I have done. Now question number 4. Is there 20% of 200 gram? My dear student, 20% means what? You will write 20 by 100 into 200 gram. To remove this percent sign, 100, now 20 cancel. Your answer is 40 gram. It is clear? Now one more questions I am solving. Six is there. 44% of of 800 means 44% means what? 44 by 100 of means into 800. See this one. Meter unit is there, meter you will write. 8 into 4, 32. 8 into 4, 32. Carry 3. 8 into 4, 32 plus 3. 500. You can multiply this also 44 into 8. See this. 8 into 4, 32. Carry 3. 8 into 4, 32 plus 3. And unit. The unit you will write 350 gram. 350 meter. So meter you will write. Thank you. Now I am going to stop this video. If you have any problem, you will ask in live class. I will give answer. Thank you.